If you're ready to start a successful business, then these 28 tips for new entrepreneurs is the business advice you need to hear, because it's very common for the new entrepreneur to get off to a bad start, oftentimes without even knowing it. Just think about it. There's no safety net, there's no certification or criteria to meet, and all those checks and balances, well, that's all up to you too. So what does this mean? Basically, it means that you have to create or build something that you're not prepared to do. Can you imagine always needing something and you don't even know it exists? Always feeling uncertain or hoping things turn out for the best. This is why the pessimist says, starting a business, I don't know, it's risky and it's scary. But it's also why the optimist would say, starting a business is exciting. It's a self-discovering journey. And it's true, starting a business is both scary and exciting. So, what does it take to be successful, to build a successful business operation? Well, it starts with planning. The planning process will give you hands-on experiences as you're doing tasks, or visual experiences as you're thinking through processes. The overall process of planning, there's your preparation. And being prepared gives you a crystal clear perspective about your business. Having this enriched perspective gives you a range of knowledge about your business, how you can do better, provide a better product or service, or serve your customers better. You'll have a clear understanding of what you want or need to accomplish, and therefore you can set achievable goals. And of course, because you have goals, you can now make sound decisions to get from where you are to where you want to be. This entire process is essential to combating failure, reducing the risk, and increasing your potential for success. So if you're new to NOBOSStv, you're off to the best possible start. Download the 28 tips for new entrepreneurs and make this your day one, where you can start to think about and envision your new business. How does it feel? Does it feel realistic? If so, believe it. Get fired up with the drive, motivation, and passion to pursue. Consider this your day one to becoming an entrepreneur. Assess where you are, decide where you want to be, and the path you'll need to take to get there. If there's anything on this list that appears to be an obstacle for you, don't focus on the problem, focus on the solution. Consider how you can overcome those obstacles. Don't let them deter you. Resolve them. Eliminate them. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to NOBOSStv and hit that notification bell. And always remember, a real boss has no boss.